Okay, let's look at the homework 6, number 17. Right. So first, we want to take the derivative of this given function f of x. Right. So let's do that. Alright, so there are two things multiplied together. So you can think of this guy is the first guy, right? This quantity x minus 10 cubed is the second guy, right? So let's apply product rule to take the derivative. So we want to find f prime of x, which is equal to, right? So derivative of the first guy is 7 x to the 6th power, right? Multiplied by the second, so we just do quantity x minus 10 raise it to the 3rd power, right? Plus, right, leave the first guy alone, so x to the 7th power, right? Then times derivative of the second. So you have power rule, so it's 3 quantity x minus 10 subtract 1 from the power, so it's 2, right? Then multiply by the derivative inside. In this case, the derivative is 1, so you multiply by 1. If you want, you can just put multiply by 1, which doesn't really do anything, right? Then clean up a bit, right? So we can see that there is x to the 6th power right here, and x to the 7th power. So there's one extra x, so I'll just circle this so that I know that there's another x here. So x to the 6th is factored out, so x to the 6th power, right? Also, we can factor out, let's see, quantity x minus 10 squared. So here. Alright, and there are 3 of them here, so I'll circle this so that I know that there's one more left. So, so it's a quantity x minus 10 squared. Alright. And then collect what's left, so it's going to be, right? So we have 7 right here. So 7 times x. So that will give us 7x, right? And 7 times negative 10 will give us negative 70. Right, and then we have let's see, there's a 3 times x, so there's 3x, right? So that'll be plus 3x, right? So we took care of everything, right? So we took care of these guys, and the 1 really doesn't do anything, so we have that. Alright, then clean up a little bit more. So you have, alright, so this guy is actually 10x here minus 70. So we can pull out 10. So 10 out here. Alright, x to the 6th power. And quantity x minus 10 squared. Right? So you have 10x. So 7x and 3x combined 10x, so 10 is pulled out, so that's just going to be x, right? Then you have negative 70, right? 10's pulled out, so it's going to be minus 7, right? So that's the derivative, so let's type it in. Okay, so the derivative we found was 10 x to the 6th power, quantity x minus 10, raise it to the 2nd power squared, and then you have x minus 7, right? let's see if this is correct. All right, so we got that. All right, here's the next question. So select the correct choice. If necessary, fill in the answer in the box. So okay, tangent line is horizontal at, all right, so if when you have a horizontal tangent line, so horizontal, right, this indicates that slope is 0, which means that derivative must be 0, right? So all you really have to do is set the derivative, this guy, equal to 0, right? So it looks like this will give us, right, from here x equals 0, right? From here x equals 10. From here x, so set that equal to 0, so x is going to be 7, right? So it's a 0, 7, 10, right? So let's type it in, right? So it's going to be 0, 7, 10. Let's check the answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.